Okay, so the fuel pumps. Let's see, fuel pump to the left of the fuel dock. And I see the open flag. And they can drag the hose to wherever we need it. That dock looks to be maybe 60 feet long, and we're 50 feet long, so we've got plenty of space. Now when you start your left turn, remember you've got to watch your stern doesn't go over and smack that boat over there.
Yes.
On the right.
Yeah.
If I had binoculars, I'd look, but I'm going to bet that's a gasoline pump. And that big red hose over there is probably the diesel hose.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we may be set anyway.
Yep. I'd start my spin. Looking good over here.
Okay.
I would leave the starboard in neutral.
Okay.
Port reverse. Port neutral. Starboard forward. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Where's the wind? Where's the wind?
It's coming at our starboard bow.
Port bow.
Okay.
See the open flag? The open flag proving it's on the port bow. Okay, both forward and go straight. Neutral. There you go, you got it. So we want to make sure our swim platform clears that little area there.
Yeah.
Port reverse. Port reverse. We're looking great. Are y'all talking on the headset?
Hey, how are you doing?
Okay, I got about 2 feet.
2 feet forward?
No, you're hang on, you're good. I think I should. Okay. Sorry, I have the breast line attached.
Okay. It's attached. Is it fully attached?
It's not completed.
All right. Let me know when it's cleated. Is it cleated?
It's completed. And now we'll get to the stern line. Right?
Yep.
Stern.
Okay. Let me know if you need anything, any room.
I think my job is done. Y'all are doing this great. What a team, what a team. And they did all of this without the help of the fuel dock attendants. We wanted to be able to dock without their assistance, and everything went perfect, just according to plan. We'll get another line out on the bow, snug everything up, and we'll be ready to take on fuel. Riviera Dunes Marina, Palmetto, Bradenton, Florida.